And in some breaking news coming in, the Aam Aadmi Party is protesting against Captain Amrinder Singh over the entire electricity issue. Visuals there coming in on your screens. This is happening in Mohali at this point in time. Look at those visuals there. Water cannons being used. Massive crowd. Let's straight go across to Gurpreet. Gurpreet, what's happening?
Well, yes, that Aam Aadmi Party protesters, they have already crossed the barricades, and I request my Vijay to show that the situation at the ground. So we can see that water cannon is being used by the police to disperse a huge number of Aam Aadmi Party protesters. Let me tell you, the first barricade, they have already been crossed, and this is the second barricade where the water cannon has been used, but still a huge number of the protesters, they have already decided to go and get out Chief Minister residence, and we can see from the live pictures from the spot the huge force have been deployed, and some of the protesters' turbans have already been tossed off, and so we can see that still the protesters, they say they are adamant they wanted to cross the barricades, and so these are the live pictures. We can see the water cannon is being used to disperse all these Aam Aadmi Party protesters. Since morning from 11 o'clock onwards, the protesters have started gathering here. There was a huge rally which was finally addressed by multiple leaders, including Bhagwant Mann, and after that they had made an announcement they will move toward the Chief Minister residence. So these are the live pictures. We have seen that the first barricades have already been uprooted by all these Aam Aadmi Party protesters, and after that they have reached near the second barricades, and multiple barricading have been done by Mohali police so that they should not allow to go and get out Chief Minister residence. This is the Chief Minister private residence in Sisma farm where these a huge number of the people they have gathered here. The Aam Aadmi Party leaders, not only from Mohali, all over Punjab, all over the state, they have given a call that they are going to get out Chief Minister of Punjab. Power crisis has become one of the major political issues. Yesterday we have seen that Akali Dal held a multiple protest, and today once again we can show our viewers that what is the situation at the ground in Mohali, where we are reporting at this point of time. Continuously water cannon has been used to disperse all these protesters, but somewhere down the lane the police had failed to control the protesters at this point of time, and as I already told you that multiple barricadings have been done by the police to avoid Chief Minister residence should be get out by these protesters. But once again we can see from live picture there's a thousand of protesters who have reached here in the car, buses, tractor, trolleys. They have come, and since morning from 11 a.m. onwards they have been gathering here. So these are the live pictures. We can see that more force have been deployed. Water cannon have already been called to control the situation, and the protesters, they are raising slogan against the Punjab government, saying that why the power is not being given by the government at this point of time. And the people of Punjab, they have already come on the road, and the Aam Aadmi Party has a single point agenda. They want to convey their message to the Chief Minister of Punjab. They wanted to get out Chief Minister residence, that till the time the government is not going to resume electricity problem, they are not going to solve electricity problem, they will continue this protest. So once again we can see that these protesters are not moving back at any cost. They have decided to cross over the barricade, and some of the protesters, they are already standing on the barricade which has been set up by the police to avoid a crossing of the barricade. So these are the live pictures, and for the last 10 minutes we have seen that continuous water cannon is being used by the police to disperse, and huge force have been deployed inside the protesters, but somewhere down the lane the police had failed to control the situation at this point of time, because the first barricade had already been crossed by these protesters, and this is the second barricade where we can see that water cannon, fire brigade vehicles have already been parked here to avoid, to tell them not to go, not to allow to go and get out Chief Minister residence. So these are the visual from the ground which we are showing at this point of time. One time the police was able to overpower all these protesters, but now we can see that a new strategy has come up by the police. The police have already scattered within the protesters. They are trying to started garrowing all the protesters line by line. So these are the live picture. I'll request my Vijay to show, to zoom in that how they have amended the strategy to control the situation at this point of time, because when they were addressing the public, when they were holding a rally before this protest, at that time they are saying that the Chief Minister has failed to provide the basic necessity of the people of Punjab, that is electricity. And for the last more than 6 days, continuously a lot of protests by the people in the various electricity department are being held, and that was the issue they had picked up, and they had decided to move toward the residence of Chief Minister, and huge force have already been called here to control the situation. And as I already told you, explained you, that there are multiple barricades. The first barricades they have already crossed, and this is the second barricade where they are standing at this point of time. And a number of protesters, they are able to cross over the even these second barricades also. So these are the live pictures. We can see that they are not relenting at any cost. They don't want to go back. They are raising slogans. Even the water cannon is being used. And now, what is the main problem for the police? Because only single water cannon has been deployed here, parked here to control the situation. And I think the water crisis can come for even this water cannon also. So once again, we can see that a huge number of the protesters, they have come up today, and they are very adamant. They want to go and Gehrao, the Chief Minister resident. They don't want to go back. And once again, that we can see the police officials, they are amending their strategy to control the situation. Now they have already been scattered within the protesters, and we can see these live picture. They have blocked them in a block wise, because that is the only option with the police to control the situation. But this water cannon has badly failed by the police, which has been used to disperse them. Now the people are not moving. Now they are trying to say that they will be forced to use the lathi charge if they are not going to back and follow the instructions of the police. So these are the live pictures from the spot we can see. And as I already told you, that a few days back, Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, has already come, and he has raised this issue that if Aam Aadmi Party comes to power, they will give free of cost 300 units. And after that, electricity problem has become one of the major issue. And as I already told you, that yesterday that Akali Dal held a multiple protests in the state wise, where they feel that huge number of protesters, they had come up. And now we can see that today Aam Aadmi Party leaders, they have come up with a lot of protesters. They have come from all over Punjab. So these are the live pictures from district Mohali, from where we are reporting at this point of time, where we can see that how these protesters, they are attempting to cross over the barricade despite heavy force have been deployed. And a lot of turbans of the protesters have already been tossed off, because they don't want to go back. They want to convey their message. So these are the live pictures we can see from the spot, that protester, the strategy of the police department. They are trying to even Gehrao, even block these protesters, block, because we can see from the picture, the khaki uniform is also being seen in the videos, that they have been scattered within the protesters also, so that they can control in some pockets that these protesters should not be allowed to cross over the barricade. But at the same time, we can see that the police had failed to control the situation at this point of time, because the protesters are very adamant. They don't even bother whether water cannon is used or not. They are not going back at all. The water cannon, the problem is very clear, and now within a few minutes this will be a headache for the local police, because they will not be able to get a second water cannon. And it might be possible that these protesters will be able to even cross the second barricade. Then there is the third barricade which has been set up by the police here. So I'll request my Vijay to show also that the third barricade which has been set up here. So we can see from here that the next barricading, that their water cannon fire brigade has already been called, because this road leads to the Chief Minister's residence. And now they have already crossed the first barricade. Now they are moving second barricades continuously. For the last 15 minutes water cannon is being used. So I'll request my Vijay to show again, come up where these protesters, they are facing this water cannon without bothering, without even feeling that they will go back, because we can see that a huge number that this time Aam Aadmi Party protesters are in a large number, which shows that anti-incumbency against the government is already there. And yesterday Shiromani Akali Dal was also holding a lot of protests in the various districts also, and today again water cannon is being used to disperse them, and somewhere down the lane it seems that police was not able to make a proper arrangement here, because the first barricades have already been crossed, and the second barricade, a lot of protesters, they have already standing on the barricades raising slogans. The police was giving instructions again and again, and also saying that they should go back, they will not be allowed to cross the second barricade. But these protesters are well determined, that they feel that their idea was very clear. This power crisis should be immediately resolved, and if the government is not going to resolve this issue, that is one of the reasons why they want to convey their message to the Chief Minister. And that was they feel that was one of the reasons why they had decided to get out the Chief Minister. Right? And they say that the Chief Minister is sitting in electricity, in the AC, and all the facilities are being taken from the electricity department. But why the common man, why Aam Aadmi is being suffered in such a high temperature, when the heat wave, the temperature has already crossed more than 43. So I'll request my Vijay to show that we are reporting from Mohali at this point of time, where we can see that how this protest is going on, and at this point of time the situation is not under control. And as I already told you, that they have already crossed the first barricade, and in second barricades of most of the protesters, they are standing on the barricades and they are determined, and continuously 15 minutes water cannon is being used to disperse. But these protesters, they are adamant, they are determined, they want to get out the Chief Minister residence, and that's why they are not going back. The police is amending their strategy again and again, and as I have already shown our viewers, that another barricading have already been done a few meters away, but still it is yet to be seen whether the police will be able to control the situation. This water cannon strategy has already been failed, and at the same time that blocking the protesters in the different blocks had already been failed by the police. So it is yet to be seen whether the police will be able to control the situation or not. But the Aam Aadmi protesters, they have decided to get out the Punjab Chief Minister resident in Sisma farm. So that's why they have come here since morning. From 11 a.m. we have been reporting, and we have been seeing that how the situation has turned here, and at the same time the police had failed to control the situation at this point of time. Back to studio.
All right, Gurpreet, thank you so much for taking us through all of those exhaustive details about what's exactly happening and what really led to this. You can see that the situation right now is not in control at all. There are a huge number of protesters that have gathered there. The police are doing everything that they can to try and bring the situation under control, including using water cannons. But the protesters are unrelenting. They're trying to scale even the barricades. And as they try and scale the barricades, the police are using water cannons to sort of push them off. So at this point in time, multiple layers of barricades being put up there, but protesters not giving way. They're continuously trying to scale those barricades and go ahead. We'll keep track of this developing situation, but for now, we're going to slip into a very quick break, and thank you so much for watching.